Hi everyone, today I'm going to be manifesting your motherfucking specific person for you. Trust and know that every single word that I say in this video is literally going to come to light because it is the truth, and also because I have funneled all of my energies into these words. And I am sending these words as energies to you through the screen into your fucking life. You will feel it directly, it will be powerful, and you will know that it is working through that. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. I also highly recommend for you to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course. You can do so by clicking the second link in the description box down below, or simply going on ritakaminski.com/courses. You can check out all of the testimonials, the frequently asked questions, and everything to do with the course there. I'm so excited for you. I am about to upload module 9 out of the 14 modules that I have created. It is a full made course, but I just decided to add 90 more minutes for each module, and I am going to be upping the price as soon as I upload that 14th module video. I'm currently on module 9. I'm going to be filming it probably tomorrow, but I'm aiming to finish the entire course in its entirety at the beginning of 2025. Now, the second that I do, I'm going to be upping the price from 999 USD to 1,555 USD, because the contents of these videos are so valuable and they're so long, packed with so much value. So I just feel uncomfortable having it at $999 at this point. I never do sales. I always up my prices. However, this is the special time where you can get in and forever have this course, plus all of the updates for the rest of your life when you enroll today. I also have payment plans, so you can take advantage of that. I'm so excited for you to join, and let's get into the video. I fully intend that this video is going to change your fucking life for the best. Your SP is obsessed with you. Your SP can't get enough of you. Every time your SP thinks about you, they have an amazing big smile on their stupid ass face. They can't go one night without you. They feel a panic if you are not sleeping in the bed, because you are their other half, and they seriously feel incomplete when they're sleeping alone without you. They can't sleep. And in the time of them going to sleep and not being able to sleep, they are thinking of you and how much they want to make you happy, and how much they just want to stare into your eyes deeply and touch on you, grab on you, rub on you, all of that stuff. Just be all around your aura, your energy, your presence, because that is something that is just not replicated. You cannot replicate your energy anywhere. Your energy to them is like crack. It makes them feel so good. They literally don't feel like a human when you're not around them, because your energy is their fuel to keep going throughout their day. You text them, they smile, they think about it for the next hour with a dumbass smile on their face. No matter if they're working, talking to customers, they have that dopey ass smile on their face. No matter if they're trying to concentrate doing their work, like, it doesn't matter. You are the only thing that they think about, no matter who they are with, no matter what they are doing. They know it. They can't ignore it. It is literally the most impossible thing in the entire world, and it kills them not being with you, not making you happy to the fullest extent. They feel a purpose making you happy. They can't go a single hour of the day without making you happy. They feel like one of the things that they were put on this planet to do is to make you the happiest that you can be. They know that you are their twin. They know that you were meant to be together. They know that you guys are soulmates, that whatever powers created y'all to find each other in every single lifetime. When you feel it, when you think about them, they feel it, they think about you too. It is just a given. It is just obvious. And everything reminds them of you. Any other person reminds them of you. They think, oh, my SP could have done it better. My SP could have said it better. They hear someone laugh, or they hear someone talk, or they hear someone walk, or they hear someone do anything, and they're like, oh, but it was so cute when my SP did it this way. It was so cute when my SP talked this way, or walked this way, or their opinion on this was like this. Like, he feels at home with you. He feels like he could be 100, 1000% himself around you. He can't let go of that. They can't let go of that. They just can't, because obviously, like, they feel like a mother effing stranger around everyone else in comparison to you. You just get them. You get their references, their jokes, what they have to say. You get their energy. Their energy and your energy is just so naturally intertwined together that it feels unnatural for y'all to be apart in any capacity. They want to include you in their life to the best of their ability as much as they possibly can. Because how the hell could they not? Look at you. You are beautiful. You are a beautiful soul. You're a beautiful person, outside and inside. They can't get enough of your eyes, because your eyes are the window to your soul, and they just want to stare so deep. They feel like a creep because they just want to look and look and look and look. They damn near feel bad for constantly looking at your photos on social media, but they can't, because they're just so desperate for you that they don't even feel bad. They like kind of feel like a creeper, but they're like, but this, like, I can't not. So like, of course I have to be around their energy. I have to look into their eyes. I have to look at their hair and their skin and what they wear and how they talk and who are they talking to? What are they doing? They are obsessed with you. They are literally your stalker, and it's only cute because you think that they're cute. In any other instance, if you were not attracted to them, you would get a literal restraining order, because they're that fucking obsessed with you. Because being around you is like breathing air. They need oxygen. They need you around their life, because it's not just for any reason. The reason why you feel like this is the reason why they feel like it. What it is that you feel towards them, that chemical reaction, that energy bind that you have towards them, they're feeling it too. It's a unique, specific energy blend that both of you, when you come together, create, that is not only addictive, but it's nostalgic, and it feels like home, and it feels like nothing else will make me feel so at home and so comfortable and so understood and so seen and so like myself. But not just that, just having the yummiest, most delicious, most funnest time ever with this person. I can't replicate that with anyone fucking else. And that's how they truly fucking feel. Your energy, you can't replicate that. You just cannot. Especially with the unique combination of you and them and your energy together. It's just an unstoppable, powerful fucking force. They know that. I'm so excited for you and your relationship with your SP. because they're thinking about you as we speak. They're fucking obsessed. And how could they not? Literally look at you. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day. Let me know in the comments down below the outcomes of this within the next 3 days, because once you feel the shift, once you feel that energy, like that is everything, you will start seeing massive fucking movement. Like, I'm just so excited for you and them and this relationship, because y'all are both getting something out of it in the best, highest way possible, in a way where they can't get anywhere else, or you can't get anywhere else, because this is your person and they are your person, and you fucking got this. They know that, you know that, I know that, your subconscious mind knows that, most importantly, that y'all are in a relationship right now. Y'all are literally in the dynamic that you exactly want. I love you all so much. Bye everyone.